Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Rathipelli. In this video, I would like to do answers to exercise questions. While watching this video, you are to concentrate. Exercise 14.3. First problem. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Monthly consumption and number of consumers. Monthly consumption 68 to 85, 4, 85 to 105, 5, 105 to 125, 13, 125 to 145, 20, 145 to 165, 14, 165 to 185, 8, 185 to 205, 4. Basing this data, we have to find median, mean and mode. First, we have to find mode. To find mode, we have to draw this column wise like this: monthly consumption, number of consumers. Cumulative frequency. To find median, we have to make a column cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? Like this: adding 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 13, 22, 22 plus 20, 42, 42 plus 14, 56, 56 plus 8, 64, 64 plus 4, 68. So this 68 indicate number of frequencies. Sum of the frequencies Fi, sigma Fi is equal to 68. This is also known n, number of frequencies, sum of frequencies. After finishing this cumulative frequency, we have to write a median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by small f into h. This is the formula to find median. In this, we have to know L n by 2 Cf small f h. What is L? Lower boundary of the median class. Where is the median class? How to find median class? By taking the help of this sum of the frequencies n. N is equal to 68, middle value n by 2 is equal to 68 by 2, 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 fours, so 34. We got to n by 2 34. This 34 is in 4, below 4, below 9, no, below 22, no, below 42, yes. So this is called median class. This is median class. We have to indicate this median class. Median class. Basing this median class, we can identify all these values. So median class is 125 to 145. L, lower boundary of the median class. So 125, average of 125 plus 125 to 125 only. Cumulative frequency CF is what? Frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the cumulative frequency 22. Frequency F, frequency of the median class F20. H, what? Height of the class or length of the class or size of the class, difference of the lower limits or higher limits, upper limits. So 20, 85 minus 65, 20. So basing these values, we can find the median by substituting in this formula. L 125 plus n by 2 34, CF 22 by small f 20 into height h 20, that is equal to 20 cancel, 34 minus 24, so 22 is equal to 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 12, 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 137. So median is 137. This is one answer. So we have to find 3 answers. Now we have to find mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for finding mode. In this formula, L, we have to know all the terms. L, F1, F0, F2 and H. L is lower boundary of the model class. So where is model class? How can we find a model class? By observing frequencies. The number of consumers, maximum consumers 20. So the maximum consumers 20. That's why this class is model class. 125 to 145 is model class. This is the model class. So L is what? Lower boundary of the model class. So 25. F1 preceding frequency. F1 this only frequency of the model class 20, F0 preceding frequency of this model class 13, F2 succeeding this F2 14, height of the size of the class 20. Basing these values we can find mode substituting in this formula. Here L is equal to 125 plus 20 minus 13 by 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 into 20. 125 plus 20 minus 13, 7 into 20 by 40 minus 13, 14, 27 is equal to 125 plus 7 to the 14, 140, 40 minus 27, 13 is equal to 125 plus we have to divide 140 with 13. 140, 13, 1s are 13, 1, bring down 0, 13 zeros are 0, 0, 1, keep point and put 0, 13 sevens are 91, 9, can keep 0, 13 sevens are approximately 91, so approximately 10.77. So 125 plus 10.77, 135.77. This is mode. Answer 2. Now we have to find mean. Mean is equal to A plus H into sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi. So this is the formula. What is A here? What is H? What is sigma Fi Ui and sigma Fi? If we know these values, we can find mean. So to find these values, we can calculate these class marks. First class mark means mid value. Mid value x is equal to average of the class 65 plus 85 by 2, 5, 5, 10, 9, 15, 150 by 2, 2 ones, 2 sevens, 2 5s, 75, x is equal to 75. So this is the first mid value class mark 75. Basing this class mark, we can calculate remaining class marks by adding height of the class. Height of the class or size of the class, length of the class is 20. So adding 20, we can calculate 95, 115, 135, 155, 175, 195. To find this, I added 20. Next we have to know A assumed value from this class marks. we can generally we take middle of the value, so this is suitable middle value only. So a is equal to 135. So here we can keep 0. If we substituted values also we can get 0 here. Up smaller, down larger numbers. So that's why -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. We can write like this. After we have to find Fi into Ui. 4 3s are 12, -12. 5 2s are 10, -10. 13 1s are 13. 20 zeros are 0. 14 1s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 4 3s are 12. So these minus values, -12 plus 12 cancel. -23, this -23, these 4 plus 6 10, 130. So 30 minus 23 7. So these are Fi, sigma Fi Ui is equal to 7. Sigma Fi Ui 7. And also we calculated here 68, sigma Fi 68. We have known all these values. Now we can find mean is equal to 135, a value of a 135 plus h20 into 7 by 68. 135 plus 4 table 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 2 balance, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35 by 17. 135 plus we have to divide 35 with 17. 35 17 ones are 17 twos are 34. 1 keeping decimal point, placing decimal point in quotient, then bring down 0. 17 zeros are 0, 0 1, bring down 0. 17 5s are 85, 5, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 8 1. So approximately 2.05, that is equal to 137.05. So this is mean. Answer, this is third answer. We got comparison of answers. Median is equal to 137 units, mode is equal to 135.77 units, mean is equal to 137.05 units. So if we observed these all answers, we understood all these answers are approximately nearer. Question number 2. If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Class interval 0 to 10, frequency 5, 10 to 20 x, 20 to 30 20, 30 to 40 15, 40 to 50 y, 50 to 60 5. Here median of 60 observations is given. So that's why we have to find cumulative frequency. We have to write this rows like columns. Then we have to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of these frequencies, like this we can calculate 5 plus x is equal to 5 plus x, 5 plus x plus 20 is equal to 25 plus x, 25 plus x plus 15 is equal to 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y is equal to 40 plus x plus y only. 40 plus x plus y plus 5 is equal to 45 plus x plus y. This and this both are equal, we know. These both are equal. Median. First, we have to know median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency, by small f into h. This is the formula to find median. In this formula, here we have to know all these terms: L, n by 2, CF, small f and h. L, lower boundary of the median class. Where is the median class? Given median of this class 28.25 given in question, it lies between in the class intervals between in the class 20 and 30. That's why this is called median class. This is called median class. We have to indicate special like this: median class. Median class we have to indicate clearly. Basing this class only we can identify all these values. That's why we have to indicate specially. So lower boundary of this median class, average of these two, 20, n by 2, n is 60, so n is equal to 60, then n by 2 30 given. Cumulative frequency, so this is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is equal to 5 plus x. Frequency, a frequency of the median class. This is frequency. H, height of the class. So difference of lower limits 10. We have all the values, so that's why we can find x substituting in this formula. median is given 28.5. That's why L plus, we have to substitute the values directly. 20 plus n by 2, 30 minus cumulative frequency 5 plus x by small f 20 into 10 is equal to given 28.5. 30, we have to transpose this 20 from left to right. 30 minus 5 minus x by 10 ones are 10 twos are by 2 is equal to 28.2. 28.5 minus 20. 30 minus 5, 25 minus x. We have to transpose this 2 on right side. 28.5 minus 28.5 into division quantity become into quantity. So 25 minus x is equal to 8.5, 2s are 2, 5, 17. X is equal to 25 minus 17. 25 minus 17, 15 minus 7, 8. So x is equal to 8. Next we have to find y also, and also given one more answer. Sum of the quantities is given 60, sum of the frequencies, and also given sum of the frequencies, and also given sum of the frequencies is 60. Sum of the frequencies, here we have found 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. This is given, 60 is given. So, and also we have 8, x is equal to 8. 45 plus 8 plus y is equal to 60, because x is equal to 88 we substituted. 53 plus y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 minus 53. Y is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. These are two values. Question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data about distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. Policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Age in years below 20, number of policy holders 2, below 25 6, below 30 24, below 35 45, below 40 78, below 45 89, below 50 92, below 55 98, below 60 100. Basing this data, we have to prepare like this column: age in years below 20 2, below 25. So we have to separate like this: 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, like this we have to prepare. And number of policy holders, we have to find frequency. This cumulative frequency is given. This row is cumulative frequency. Total 100 policy holders, that means n is equal to sigma fi is equal to 100 is given. Basing this, we have to complete this number of policy holders. So here 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 24 minus 6 is equal to 18, 45 minus 24 21, 78 minus 45 33, 89 minus 78 11, 92 minus 89 3, 98 minus 92 6. Next 100 minus 98 2. So this total 100 number of frequencies sigma Fi is equal to 100. So n by 2 is equal to, then n by 2 is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50. So median class is 50. 50 is middle of between below this 78. So we have to identify clearly. This is the median class. Median class is 35 to 40. So we can find median using this formula, L plus n by 2 minus Cf by small f into h. This is the formula to find median. Here L n by 2 Cf small f h. We have to know all these values. L n by 2 Cf small f h. L is equal to lower boundary of this median class. So median class is 35. N by 2 already we found 50. Cumulative frequency Cf 45. Small f frequency of this median class 33. Height of the class 5. So now we have to substitute these values in this formula. 35 plus 50 minus 45 by 33 into 5. 35 plus 5 into 5 by 33. 35, 25 by 33. Now we have to divide 25 divide with 33. 33 zeros are 0. 25. Place this decimal point in quotient. Then bring down 0. 33 sevens are 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 23. 9 1. Bring down 0. 6 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18, 19, approximately. So 35 plus 0.76, approximately 35.76 approximately. So this is the median.